Loneliness is affecting about 1 in 4 people, and this is across the globe. So it really is a global epidemic. And it's more than just an individual issue, it really is a community issue and a community challenge. And one thing I really enjoy is solving social challenges with the community. And with the Loneliness Project, we've really been able to do this and start with a blank slate, but really drive and empower a bit of energy in the community to come up with solutions that meet their needs. The scientific evidence really supports that life transitions are a risk factor for loneliness. In fact, we see loneliness peaking amongst people in midlife as well as young adults. So with Spark, we partnered with the Hut Community Centre, who were interested in working with us to address the challenge of how we can engage a new audience who didn't feel like they were as connected with their community and each other as they would like to be. We put this challenge to the community of the Adelaide Hills to design solutions with us. And over a period of time, we came up with a range of innovations to ignite human connection in that community. So the initiatives are supported by volunteer Sparkies, and this was a concept that the community came up with. Sparkies are the glue, they're the hosts and welcomers that create belonging at Spark events. They're also our citizen scientists that help us to collect information to inform the social impact of what we are doing. We've been overwhelmed by the success of the community initiative in the Adelaide Hills and are really excited to expand that to 2 new regions. We know that the solution to loneliness starts with the community, and we hope that it will make a difference across many more communities across Australia in the future.